Hey guys, welcome to Curious Tech World, and if you follow me on Instagram, you may have noticed that I got a GoPro mount for the outside of the airplane. I got it set up, and it's right there, and I forgot to hit record. So this is going to be the sixth flight that I've taken so far, and this is also going to be the second flight that I have a passenger in the back. So it definitely messed with the weight and balance. I had to, add for the passenger in the back and the extra baggage, which means the airplane is going to have an aft CG. So takeoff and landing is going to be much different than the previous flights that I've had. So this is a good experience, but at the same time, things like radio calls, it's even more nerve-wracking for me because I want to make sure I get them right and I don't sound like a complete idiot. But on this particular day, the weather was really nice, and basically every plane was in the air doing something. And so we got to sit there on the tarmac and listen to other people doing a lot worse than I was. So it gave me a little bit of confidence. But yeah, we sat on the tarmac for, about 20 minutes trying to get clearance to take off. We were originally going to do some pattern work, and we ended up just going out to the practice area instead because the pattern was pretty full. But we took our sweet time in our run-up because we had people lined up in the run-up area, and then we sat at the hold short line for a few minutes watching traffic, and of course they had some passenger jets leaving as well, so the passenger jets were getting priority. But I didn't get in as much work in the air as I wanted to. I definitely did not feel stabilized on my approach for the one landing that we did. So I know there are things that I need to work on, but at least I got to work on some ground stuff. We got lots of taxiing in, and my takeoff was relatively decent.